Right, okay, let me show you the harness. Now let's start from here. I've done some alterations to the harness here, some new connectors. So that bit is done there. Let's go down a little bit further. Keep going down here. Keep going down. I've put a new connector on there. I've got to put a new connector on there. Keep going down. And then on this bike harness here, and probably on other bike harnesses, there's some resistors in there, and that is for the, I think that's for the side stand, and then there's another resistor down here, or it might be that one is for the side stand one, and I think one is for something else. I'm not quite sure. It's to do with starting the bike anyway, okay? So I've cleaned this one up here. If you go to this one here, I don't know if you can see here, it's looking quite dirty, doesn't it, right? And if we look in the end of there, that's quite dirty, okay? Now, if I take this off, I'll have to put the phone down a minute. So I've taken this. Let's focus on this, please, camera. It wants to focus on the thing. Right, I've taken this dirty thing off you, okay? That's got some resistors in. And then if I can focus on that bit there, that's quite dirty in there, okay? They're quite corroded. I'll take them out and show you in a minute. But if I open this up, let me try and get the focus on this. Focus. I'll pull that off there now and I'll show you what's inside it. So this was on there. Imagine that was on there. I've taken that off. You can see there's two resistors and they're sort of joined together with a third pin. So there's 3 pins on there. I don't know if you can see in there. 3 pins, all corroded. And 2 resistors. I don't know if you can make it out, but that has gone green in there. The resistor leg coming out is green. This is starting to go green. I don't know if it's worse, if you can see better on that side. That's slightly green. So I'm going to have to tidy these up, take these pins out, and I'll show you how I'm going to fix this. Right, okay, there we are. There's the resistors taken out of there. You can see the 3 prongs. I've got 3 new ones to go on there. I'm going to have to cut them off, put these ones on, but I'm going to have to use some, a little bit of wire as well. And I've also got a new connector case, because this one is all dirty and manky. I'll have to reuse this bit. So I'm going to put these on there, and I'll show you when I've done that. Okay then, so this bit is fixed here, the best I can do it, but this is going on to, this fits onto this here. So the next part of the process is I gotta de-pin this and put new connectors on the end of there. So I'll de-pin that and I'll show you the corrosion. It's not focusing very well, but I'll show you the corrosion on there after I've de-pinned this. Okay, so I've taken one of the pins out. Focus. I'll do it one at a time so I don't mess up the which pin goes where. And I've also got a new, I don't know if you can see that there. I got a new one of them as well. So I'll be putting new pins on the end of there. When I cut this off here, it's going to have, the copper's going to be, focus. You put my hand there. When I cut that off, it's going to be, the copper's going to be slightly black. So I'm going to clean that off first, then put a new connector on. Right, okay then, there's the finished article. Now, I know some of you might say that black oxidised copper is not very good, but if you clean it off, oxidised copper will still conduct very, very well. You can look it up if you want. But there we go, that's the finished repaired article. And like I said, I've been going through every single connector. I'm about, I'm more than halfway there now. So I think I gotta go. These ones are okay here. I'll have to have a look at these. The ones in the middle, they seem to be not too bad. This was the worst one so far. So I'm going to carry on and go through the rest of the loom.